My name is Bilal Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Technology Discussion. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to change your laptop or computer password. If you have set your password but you want to change it now, so you must come to control panel, click on control panel, and when you come to control panel, click on user accounts. So when you click on user account, then again you should click on change account type. So here, if you want to change account type, so you come here and here you will see the option. If you want to change your account name, your change password and account type. So we are going to change account password. So click on change the password, enter your current password. So I am going to enter my current password and now I am going to enter a new password. So the new password must be contain those things which are necessary for the password. So I enter a new password and let me give a hint 619131. This is my hint and change password. So you can see friends the password is changed. If you think this video helped you, so please like, share and comment on this video and please share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching the video.